Wintertainment.
Wintertainment 2020.
For Wintertainment 2020.
Hi, my name is Sonia and I'm a SmartBear Community Manager. I'd like to say thanks to all the participants of the SmartBear Community Wintertainment. It was a great event and let's see what people have to say about it.
Hello, my name is Marcia Robertson and I participated in Wintertainment 2020.
Hello, everyone. This is Steven from China. My community ID is Apple Pen. I work for a foreign company as a tester.
Wanted to say thanks for Wintertainment 2020.
Thank you for the SmartBear community to organize this Wintertainment event.
Some of the topics were really new for me, so having the advantage of not only seeing the articles, but also reading the comments from some of the experts in the area was really helpful.
This activity not only made us know the product ecosystem, but also the popular approaches.
What I really like about Wintertainment and the other special events that SmartBear has is that I get to see the way that other people are using Test Complete in totally different ways that I never would have thought of. This helps me in my current job and it helps me help other people on the forum.
I think it is very meaningful, and I had translated some of the articles into Chinese and shared them with my colleagues.
Thanks to everyone that also sent me links to additional articles or some training resources that would help me along my automation journey.
We got a lot of great replies for the articles we posted, and I'd like to mention that both the articles and replies are gonna remain in the public access to keep helping testers in the future.
So I really enjoyed Wintertainment and I hope they continue these events. Thanks.
Thank you, SmartBear community managers, and thank you, SmartBear everyone. And I wish and I hope SmartBear will get better and better in 2021. Bye.